This is our aim of in the jungle, under the sun, lives one big tiger having fun. With orange stripes and a mighty roar, he calls his cubs to explore. Fun big tiger, brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. First little cub climbs a tree. The second says, come follow me. The third chases butterflies in the air. The fourth that says, play a game of stare. Fun big tiger, brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. At the end of the day, they sit and rest. Under the moonlight, they snuggle in a nest. The big tiger smiles, proud as can be. His little cubs are as happy as he. Fun big tiger, brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. Tiger, brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. Yeah, baby, well, let's hang the scope beats by reality, and they drip care and things like that is their own. And near scope, they say the shots and how many these best loves are the hate some pros and friends just down in night. Oh, now we have taken a night. Well, yeah, wait till last train now, wait. We have musties and other beats. No. We go on by the next day in the streets, rain. No man, so it's in the city if you're age is so. People like it's sponsored all the competition. I was going to craft and the end to bomb priest and then we would have been because the strokies then move. Stretching you know how you're ready off at rafter time. You get a paper to the street guys in a rag. Now I was mouse trouble confused twice to if you understand both human scoring and offer. Deep in the jungle under the sun lives one big tiger having fun. With our stripes and a mighty roar, it causes cubs to explore. They live along, very brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. The first little cub climbs a tree. The second says, come follow me. The third chases butterflies in the air. The fourth and fifth play a game of stare. They've been along, very brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. At the end of the day, they sit and rest under the moonlight, they snuggle in the nest. The big tiger smiles, proud as can be. His little cubs are as happy as he. They've been along, very brave and strong. 5 learning and laughing all the way. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. Living a world we're brave and strong. 5 little clubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. Jungle today, learning and laughing all the way. One big tiger, brave and strong. 5 little cubs, they bounce along. Jump and play in the jungle today, learning and laughing all the way.
tiger climbed a tree. 5 cunning tigers shouted, "Whee!" Sliding down, they laughed so loud, made a jungle full of sound. "Roar, roar," said the big tiger, "playtime's here, so much bigger." 1 big tiger and 5 cunning tigers dance forever, happy and brighter. One big tiger showed them to roar. 5 cunning tigers tried